So standard 12, welcome back. Now it is late night 12:15 due to the entire day packed schedule for online lectures. So there is no other excuse other than working at the night. So in the night I am going to prepare these videos. So question number 1 was going on. Out of that now some of the questions were done. These two questions were solved. Those were very simple. Now I want to take one another question from the same question number 1, the seventh one. It is somewhat different. That's why I am just taking it. Otherwise it is not needed also. Sin x raised to x, and this eighth one, sine of x raised to x. There is the slight difference between these two sums. That's why I am just taking these two sums. Solution for this is solution y is equal to sine x raised to x. Taking the log of y is equal to, now this I will take here, x log of sine x. You have understood. It is this way, log of sine x raised to x this way. So it has come here and it has become x log of sine x. Now take the derivative. This is u into v, two functions product. So d by dx of, I am not writing taking the log on both the sides, now differentiating. D by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of x into log of sine x. So this is u into v, d by dx of log. Now I will take the derivative. Therefore, derivative of log is 1 upon y, and derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to, this is u into v. So this has come first. Take the derivative of this, log of sine x as it is, and take the derivative of x, d by dx of x, plus now x as it is, and d by dx of log of sine x. Hope that you have understood this. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to this, y will go here, and log of sine x into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of log is 1 upon sine x, and into d by dx of sine x. This is called as the chain rule. We know it. So that is equal to, y means sine of x raised to x. This will be log x plus x upon sine x into derivative of sine x is cos x. So that is equal to sine of x raised to x into integration of log x plus cos upon sine is cot, so x cot x. So this is the final answer. This is dy by dx equal to. Now for this is the angle. This much is the angle of it. So first step is y is equal to sine of x raised to x. Now if I take the log, is equal to log of sine of x raised to x, and log of y, next step will be this x is taken here and sine x here. If you do like this, then it is wrong. This is not sine x raised to x. This is the angle. This much is the angle. That won't come here. So that is why these two differences are these two questions are different, and that is why I am going to take these two questions. So here, this is a difficult part. So let x raised to x is equal to u. So therefore y is equal to sine of u. Therefore derivative now I will take dy by, here it is du, so dy by du is equal to d by du of sine u. Therefore dy by du is equal to cos of u. This much part is over. Now what about this u? So now u is equal to x raised to x. Therefore log of u equal to x log x. You have understood this. Therefore d by du, so here it is u, so here it is x, so d by dx of log of u is equal to d by dx of x log x. Try to understand this. Here it is x, so d by dx. Here it was u, so d by du. So therefore this will be 1 upon u, and log of means 1 upon, but this is d by dx, so into du by dx. Derivative of u is du by dx. So try to understand this. So that is equal to log x as it is, and d by dx of x plus x into d by dx of log x. Therefore du by dx is equal to log of x into 1 plus x into 1 upon x, derivative of log. This will get cancelled, and this u I forgot to write it. Therefore du by dx is equal to this u upon, it will become into, and that is equal to u is nothing but x raised to x into bracket, this is log x plus this is 1. I will not put this bracket, I will just put this bracket. This is your du by dx. This is your 2. This is your 1. Or otherwise I will put the values and then I will write 1 and 2. Okay. So hope that you have understood this. So now by chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. This du will get cancelled, and that is equal to, let me see whether you can whether this is visible to you or not. Yes, it is visible. So dy by dx is equal to dy by du cos of u into du by dx is x raised to x into log of x plus 1 from 1 and 2. From 1 comma 2. That is equal to, what is by cos u? Cos of u means x raised to x into this x raised to x into log of x plus 1. And the final answer would be given like this. This I will write first, x raised to x cos of x raised to x into log of x plus 1. Hope that you have understood this. And here I complete this question. Question number 1. I will complete here now. So hope that you have understood this. That's all for this lecture. So remaining things we will see in the other lectures.